So if you look at the market right now, you will notice that there are a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubts right now in the crypto market. And coupled with that, there are lots of people creating so much panic, causing people to even continue to sell. So that is why right now in the market, people are afraid of buying. So what they are doing more is to sell off their crypto. I'm going to be explaining a whole lot of things in this crypto market outlook for today to help you to understand what is happening in the market, what you should be doing going forward. All right. So, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, this is Blockchain Plus. You are welcome to this space. In this place, I teach you everything about cryptocurrency and trading and how to become successful. So, you come here, you learn, you go out there, you trade, and you make money for yourself. And if today is your first time, please just hit the subscribe button so that you subscribe to this channel. Also, give this video a like if you love content like this, and drop your comment in the comment section about this video, telling me what aspect of this video you enjoyed, and do not forget to share it with your friends. And most importantly, do not forget to join our Telegram group, because in the Telegram group we do a whole lot. All right, and if you want to continue to make money, whether the market is going up or is coming down, the Telegram community is where you should be. All right, so this is our Telegram community, and you can see here we are doing a whole lot. I do a whole lot of things for people right here, and people are happy and they are making money from this space. All right, without further ado, let's just dive into the video of today. Now, if you look at this place right here, if you look at this section right here, you can see that our fear and greed section has reduced to 15. What does this mean? It means there are a lot of fear. There are more fear than FOMO in the market. There are more food than FOMO in the market. So people are afraid. They want to just, whatever they can salvage, they want to just salvage it right now and move on. Now, if you also look at this place, you will see that the market capitalization has been dropping. It has dropped from close to 4 trillion. Right now, we are even going below 3 trillion. And if this does not hold, then there's possibility that we are going to go below 3 trillion. And as this continues to happen, it continues to build more fear in the market. People continue to panic and continue to sell, right? So that is what is happening. Now, if you come over to this fear and greed section right here, let me just remove all of these. You can see it right here. This is it right here. This is the fear and greed section. Okay, this is not where I want to go to. I think is this one right here. Good. So if you come over to this place right now, you can see this is it right here. Now, if you look at this section, which is the fear and greed, you can see the last time we came to this place was this was March, 12th of March, and the next time we tested it was 11th of April. You can see, if you look at this section just around here, you can see the timer there, the date there. This is either 11th of April or 10th of April, and right now we are testing that level again, which is another support for it, which is 16th of November. So we are testing that level again. Now, if this level holds for this fear and greed section and bounces back, then we may likely see the market regaining itself. But is it going to happen? Now, we are going to look at other parameters as well in the market before we make a reasonable conclusion from this. Now, if you look at this other part, which is the market capitalization, you can see how the market has dropped right here. You can see we are going below 3 trillion if it does not hold. Now, if I put that is on 30 days, now if I put this on one year, you can see the support right here. This is the bigger support, which is 2.4 trillion. However, we have another support right here at 3.09 trillion, which we have already tested somewhere around here. We have already tested that support. So there is a possibility that we may bounce off from there and then decide to go back upward, right? But if that does not happen, then we should be looking at this support, which is here, 2.94 trillion, and that should hold going forward. Now, with all of these things I've shown you in the market, now this is what is happening in the market, because this is a crypto space and a lot of people actually want to just make money from here. So earlier this year, between January, February, March, there were a whole lot of people who had the anticipation, who had the belief that by this time they will become millionaires if they just invest in crypto, right? Now, lots of people came into the crypto, invested in a whole lot of money in crypto. January, February, March, April, people were investing in crypto, hoping to cash out big. Now, after the investment, a lot of people are now trapped. And because their money is trapped, and they believe that the more this money is being trapped here, the more they will lose out from it. And coupled with the fact that this is not a safe haven, crypto is highly, highly risky. You may lose everything if you don't play the game wisely. And most people understand all of this, so they prefer to take profit or take whatever is left of their invested capital. Let's say someone invested $10,000 and right now is having, let's say, $5,000 or $6,000 left. They'll prefer to take that home than just losing everything in the market, because they believe that as they continue to wait, as they continue to hold it, the more the money will continue to go down. And another thing now that is also affecting the market, making this fear and great section to continue to go down, is the fact that there are a lot of manipulations that happens in this crypto space. I will tell you how it happens. Now, remember last year, 2024, we had a whole lot of airdrop that came in. That was the time of airdrop, that airdrop mania period, where people were using Telegram to launch lots of airdrop. Now that caused a kind of ripple effect in the crypto space. Let me explain to you. During that period, because Telegram had lots of users, lots of people through Telegram flooded into the crypto space. And as a result of that, we had lots of people buying different kind of coins. As a result of that, we had a massive surge in the retailers holding crypto. Understand the logic. So lots of retailers were holding lots of different cryptos in the market, and this system is not designed to ensure that you make money from it. The system is designed to take the money that you have from you. These market makers, these manipulators, they understand all of this, and because of that, and they know that if this market pumps right now, which we are supposed to see, just like the way it used to happen previously. I think I've experienced two different bull seasons, 2017 and 2021. Now, if this market pumps right now, there will be lots of millionaires in the world. A lot of people will be made millionaires, and these market makers don't want such things to happen. So what are they doing right now? They keep suppressing the market. They keep suppressing the market to liquidate or chase out all those people who came in during that airdrop mania period. You understand? Until those people are flushed out, I doubt we will see a reasonable pump during this bull run that we all have been anticipating. Of course, if you can see here, a lot of people have been flushed out of the system. Well, there is still good news for us. As long as you continue to hold, there is still good news for us, because if we come just over here and look at Bitcoin, I've been saying it in my previous message on my Telegram group. I just opened my Telegram group right here. Let me see if I can see the message. Okay, let me just look for the message so that you will see where I dropped it. I think yeah, I think this. You can see this message I dropped. This was on the 17th. This was on the 17th. Today is 19th. This was on the 17th. I dropped. I said in this post, I said prepare for BTC around. Okay, that's not the post. I think the post is up. Let me click. Good. This is it on the 15th. So I said BTC testing the weekly trend. We may see price touch 93 to 90 before moving back up, right? So now you can see it actually touched around that region. It actually came below it, which is around here. If I just bring this white line down, you can see this white line. Great. So if I carry this one all the way to this place like this, you can see it came to 89, right? The 89 point something. So actually came below the 90, I said. And the reason I said that was because I drew this my um demand zone. This is a demand zone that I drew, and then this was the gaps. There's a gap here and there's a gap here that I was expecting the market to fill. So the market has filled those gaps, and then also there is a trend line. So this is a weekly chart anyway. So this on the weekly, you can see there's a touch on this trend here. You can see it right there. There's a touch here. There's a touch here, and then this one actually did not touch, but it came close. And then after that, you can see it touching the trend line here. So why I say there is a good news for us is because there is a rejection of this. So we are expecting, I am hoping that this does not break this to this place. So if it breaks it to the downside, then we may just see a retest of it and then a continuation all the way to this level. And if that happens, then we should be expecting BTC to touch somewhere around here 70, 75, 76. And as it continues to go down to those levels, the fear and greed will continue to increase in the market, which we don't want to see. So but the good news is that there is a rejection of this, there is a bounce of this level. So we may see it come all the way back, maybe to this 106, right? 106 level during this period slash December period. Because during the first week and second week of December, definitely we should see some people trying to push the market up back so that they can take a little bit of profit from the market for this festive season. So that is my own analysis. This is what I'm expecting to happen in the market. Something like this, a move from this place down to this place, then we may just be dancing around here, and then maybe we'll come back to touch these levels again, and then we'll have the move back up. Now, if that happens, this is going to be all the way to next year anyway. So that is what is going to happen according to what I am saying right now. It may happen, it may not happen that way, but we are hoping for the best that it happens that way. Now, if you also look at Ethereum, you can see that Ethereum also bounced off from this demand zone, which I drew right here. This is demand zone. It also bounced off from that demand zone, which is another good sign for us in the market, right? So these are the positive signs we are seeing right now, and we are hoping that this positive signs stays true and then pushes the market a bit up for us. Because if you look at the market right now, from everything we are seeing from Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of the coins in the market, they are really tanking. And if you look at this fear and greed section, there is a whole lot of fear. You can see it's extreme fear level. So right now people are selling. But however, if you are here and you've watched this video up to this point, now this is what you can also do. Like I said, you can join our Telegram community where we trade irrespective of the movement of the market. Whether the market is going up, we are buying, we are selling and buying and making profit from it. Because we don't just buy and hold in our community, we trade futures. And it's not just that you are trading it by yourself. You wait for my signal. I drop the signal. You take the signal. All you just need to do is to copy and paste, and then you make money from the signal. If you can see here, right here, okay, let me just come down. This was the signal I dropped today. You can see, okay, this is a new day. You can see right here, this was yesterday. I dropped this signal. Let me see. This is it right here. Drop linear USDT. You can see I dropped that, and then we made about 50% from the market. I don't know where it is right now, but this is how much it went for us in the market. You can join the Blockchain Plus community and join us for trading futures while you are waiting for your bags to give you the results or the return on investment you have been waiting for. So this is the quick market update I said I should bring to us to let us know what is happening in the market. And then before I go from this, if you have invested in any coin, this is not the right time, this is not the best time to sell your bag, because the truth is, whether you like it or not, crypto has come to stay. The market always recovers, and it is going to recover. And the truth is, they want to take us unaware. So whether you like it or not, the market is going to move back up. And you don't want to be caught off guard. You don't want to see the market moving back up while you are already out of the market. So keep holding on to your bags, and then expect a good return on your investment when the market moves back up. And then if you have more money you just want to throw around, you can still DCA, like buy some more into the bags or into the coins you are holding. All right, guys, that is it for me in this particular video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.